Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this navy blue and red eyeshadow look. I decided to blend together two colors that I don't usually use and this is what I came up with. I hope that you like it. For today's video I have used this palette by Essence. This is the Crystal Iced eyeshadow palette and in this one we have warm eyeshadows and some very beautiful blue shades. Share this video with a friend that likes blue or red eyeshadow looks and let me know in the comments below what other eye looks you want me to do. I want to start with my brow bone highlighter. I'm going to use this one by Essence. This is from the collection Sun, Sand and Golden Rainbows and I have the shade Chasing the Sun. I'm going to take the lightest, this one here. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I'm pressing that on my brow bone. Now it's time for the crystallized palette. I'm taking this light beige matte eyeshadow and with an eye blender brush by Essence I'm diffusing this in the crease. After that I'm picking up this shade here. This is a nude coral matte eyeshadow. With brush 225 by Zoeva I'm blending that in the outer crease. Without any product on my brush, I continue blending the inner crease. I'm taking a smaller blending brush by BH Cosmetics. This is number 5 and this eyeshadow here in the corner, the red one, it is called Frosé, I think, and this one is a muted red maroon eyeshadow with a matte finish. I'm buffing that into the crease closer to the eyelid. With circular motions I'm also blending the two colors together. And I'm trying to stay as close as possible to the eyelid. I don't want to bring the red eyeshadow closer to my brow bone. I want it to be more noticeable in this area here. Now I want to start with the blue eyeshadows. I'm a little bit nervous because I have never done an eye look with red and blue eyeshadows. Let's continue with this navy blue matte eyeshadow. It is called Ice Queen. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm pressing that on the outer part of my eyelid and with the tip of the brush, I'm blending the blue eyeshadow into the crease very lightly. I don't want to bring the blue eyeshadow very far up into the red eyeshadow. And I'm also blending the edges of the blue eyeshadow on the eyelid. For the inner eyelid, I'm taking this eyeshadow. This is Culada and it is a light blue matte eyeshadow with some very fine silver micro glitter that are only visible when you swatch the eyeshadow. On the eyes it looks completely matte. To give definition on the outer part of my lower lashes, I'm going to take this navy blue eyeshadow with a smaller brush by Urban Decay. I'm trying to stay as close as possible to the roots of the lashes. With the same brush, very lightly I'm blending the edges. With the same brush, I'm going to take this minty green blue eyeshadow. It has a shimmery finish and the name is Iceberg. Super shiny and beautiful. I'm smudging that on the inner part of my lower lash line. I'm also blending that in the inner corner. I'm dipping again in this eyeshadow here and I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. I'm taking a little bit of this eyeshadow as well. I'm pressing that only in the outer part of the lower lash line. I'm taking the red eyeshadow again. For my waterline, I'm going to use this Smart Eye Pencil by Kiko Cosmetics in the shade 807. I have applied false lashes and eyeliner. I will list everything in the description box and let me know if you want to see another eye look with this palette. I'm going to post my review in a couple of days and I can do another eye look for that video. So let me know, do you want to see something specific? I need a haircut ASAP. It is so warm, my hair are so heavy. and most probably I will get highlights again, and I'm going to chop 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 chop. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. This is an oldie but a goodie. I'm taking the brush 3 by BH Cosmetics and this little guy here. For my nose, I'm going to take the brush 7 by BH Cosmetics and the Hoola bronzer again. This is the mini size for the Hoola bronzer, and I love testing products that they are a little bit more expensive in a mini size, because this way I'm not going to cry if something doesn't work for me. You know what I mean? This one is a bronzer, but it has a matte finish. It blends beautifully on the skin. It is one of the products that you can use if you are a beginner in contouring or bronzing. You can take a big fluffy brush to bronze your skin with this one, or a smaller brush like I have done today. For blush, I'm going to use this broken one by Essence. I broke it, I didn't buy it like that. And this is the Matte Touch blush in the shade Pitch Me Up. I'm going to use it with the brush 2 by BH Cosmetics. I'm taking again the same highlighter and the shade that we have in the center. For my lips, I want to use something neutral because I think I have a lot of color on my eyes and I don't want to look like a clown. So I'm going to use the This Is Me lipstick by Essence in the shade Loyal. You can watch here another eye look with blue eyeshadows. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!